All right, you guys, we're going to work on the box method. We're going to review it. We're going to try to get a better understanding of it. And then we're going to do it. That's what we're going to do. All right, so I want you guys right now to do this problem, set this problem up. We're going to do 246 divided by 2. So I will do a number 1 right here. And I'm going to do 246 and right. So remember, you want to leave a little bit of room. Hold on, I got to erase this real quick. You want to go 3 down. So 1, 2, 3, right? And I'm just going to do this really quick. Then I'll make my box. And it's divided by 2, right? So the first thing we need to do, so it's 246 divided by 2. And you're still going to do this, right? Serve burgers raw. Or divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat, right? It's the same concept, all right? So let's take a look. The first thing we need to ask, does 2 or will 2 go in divide by 2? Jimmy, I need you looking up here, buddy. Will 2 divide by 2? Yes. How many times? 1. So now we're going to do 1 times 2, or 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to subtract, and we get 0. So we don't have to bring anything over, okay? Now, will 4 divide by 2? Yeah. How many times? Right? So that's division. Now we multiply. 2 times 2 is?
4.
Okay. We're going to subtract. There's nothing to bring over, right? How about will 6 divide by 2? Yes. How many times?
3.
3 times 2 is? Good. All right, and that equals 0. Is there a remainder?
No.
Our quotient is 123. All right. Why don't we try, let's do another one, a little harder one. You ready? Let's do, you ready for this one? We'll do a number 2. And let's do 668. Okay, and we're going to do divided by 4. Divided by 4. All right. Can 4 go into 6? Yeah, it can. Jimmy, you walk me through it. So what times 4 will get us close to 6 without going over? It can't be 2 because that's 8, so it's 1. So now we're going to do 1 times 4 is? 4. Okay. We got to subtract now. 4. 6 take away 4 is? Now, this is the part where it would be bring down, but we're just going to call this bring over, right? So we're going to bring that 2 over. And our new division problem is 26 divided by 4. Are you seeing it? Okay. Jimmy, seeing it? All right, so what times 4 will get us close to 26 without going over? Now we're back to dividing. What is it? 6, yeah. 6. This is where, Sam, you need to pay attention. 6 times 4 is 24. This is, and then we're going to subtract. Okay? 26 minus 24 is?
2.
Yeah. And we're going to bring that over. And now it's 28 divided by 4. What times 4 will get us close to 28 without going over? 7 exactly, actually. 7 times 4 is?
28.
Jimmy, are you starting to understand the box method a little better?
It's actually pretty easy.
Pretty easy. All right, so let's do another one. Ready? Let's do another one. Okay, so we're going to do 880. See how I spread those out a little? And then I'm just going to do my 3 lines. See how I set that up? Divided by 5. Can 8 be divided by 5? Can we get groups of 5 out of 8? Yeah, how many?
1.
1. So now we do 1 times 5 is, now we subtract, and we get 3. What's our next step? Someone tell me. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. What's our next step? What's our next step? What's our next step?
Bring the 3 up to the 8.
Yes, and that gives us 38, right? Bring that up there. Now it's 38 divided by 5. What times 5 is going to get us close to 38 without going over? Can't be 8, because that's 40. What about 7?
7.
Yeah. 7 times 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38. That's 3. What's our next step?
Bring it up.
Bring it up, bring it over. 30. Oh boy.
38.
So it's not going to be. So what do you think? It's what times 5 is going to get us close to 30?
6. Exactly.
So then we do 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract it, we get 0. And our no remainder. All right. Do you guys think we understand the steps in the box method? Yes. I recorded a video, which we are watching or doing right now. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to revisit this video if you need to, right? If you need to revisit it. And so